5 reasons you need to buy this Garmin Epix. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys 5 reasons why you should buy a Garmin Epix. Before we get into the 5 reasons, let's quickly do an unboxing and get the first impressions of this watch. Now let's quickly unbox the Epix. So Epix is a new launch by Garmin, and well, it comes sealed, so using a cutter, let's open the box now. Okay, when you look at it, this finish over here looks beautiful. I can see a pop of color, a nice little orange over here, and okay, this is a sticker, but this looks really nice and attractive. I think it looked really nice on anyone's wrist. This is a nice grey, so this is the watch. It's not too heavy, it's nice and light, and let's quickly take out this. So this is the watch. I haven't yet turned it on. This is the rear. It's a new sensor and the typical Garmin connectors. Let's see what else is there in the box. So the box, oh, there it is. The most important thing, stickers, your charger cable, a quick instruction booklet, and a little card with a QR code so that you can download Garmin Connect. Now let's turn on the watch. And now the 5 reasons why you should go for the Epix. Reason number 1, it has an OLED screen. Having an OLED screen, you have clearer pictures, brighter colors, and well, better definition of the images on screen. So reason number 2, the touch screen. So this 1.3-inch display comes with a touch screen, and having touch makes it a little bit easier to use and more convenient to use. The touch by itself is quite responsive and crisp to use. Reason number 3, battery life. This touchscreen OLED display watch comes with 16 days of battery life. This is in smartwatch mode, you're getting 16 days of battery life, which is really good. Reason number 4, the heart rate monitor on this is the 4th generation. So the HR Elevate, as Garmin calls it, is the 4th generation, which is the latest. So you get better metrics and more accuracy of all your health metrics. And reason number 5, the health snapshot. So this Garmin device will take 2 minutes and give you a snapshot of your health. And this measures 4 different metrics: stress, respiration, heart rate, and pulse ox. So this is going to measure all 4 and give it to you in a snapshot. It also measures your heart rate variability and tells you what your variability is in milliseconds. Well guys, I personally do like the Epix a lot because it's a nice watch, good battery life, and nice features too. The price is about 90,000 rupees, and if you guys are interested in a smartwatch, good health metrics, and good battery life, check out the Epix. That's it for now. Until next time, safe ride everyone.